Kia ora, this is a guide on how to make a corned beef sandwich. You will need corned beef. If you don't have any, there's a recipe from 1861 below. You'll need 50 pounds of salt for a full-size bullet. Bread, or in this case toast. The trickiest part of the operation is opening the corned beef tin. If you snap the tab, good luck. You'll eventually get faster at opening the tins. Delicious. I'd usually have hot English mustard, but I don't have any. With some reservations with respect to recent history, I'm having Dijon.